What tips do you have for students that are showing up to career fairs?
One of the biggest things I would say is have some energy. We love meeting you. We want to see your smile. We want to get to know you. Have energy while doing it.
I would say always be well dressed, come as your best, and bring a smile.
Don't read right off your resume. I can see it. Just kind of want to know who you are as a person and get to know you a little bit.
And to make sure to stop at every station, see what they have to offer.
Have your little elevator pitch ready to go, what you're looking for. You'd be like, yes, I'm X, Y, and Z from Detroit. I grew up playing sports, very competitive. My major from Central Michigan, which I'm an alum. And then come prepared to talk about what you're involved in on campus, what past positions you've had, and what you're looking for.
Your major is not like a lifeline. You can always find a different pathway. You can always network and find new interests in anything.
I think it's important to be approachable and friendly, right? So we're all here to try to help the students, and so we want to get to know them a little bit, hear from their backgrounds, find out what they're interested in so we can find a good fit in our organization.
So if you're wearing a suit, make sure you cut your back tails. There's 2 seams that are an X. You need to cut those.